everyone, this is Kathy Lean with your top 10 crypto charts of the week. Last week when we looked at this video, I talked about how there was going to be a relief rally in crypto, and that's exactly what we saw. We saw a bounce and overall strength, although not significant strength because we're still in a generalized broader range, and for the most part the downtrend still remains intact. However, as we look forward to the new trading week with not as much economic data, I would not be surprised to see Bitcoin, for example, which is what we're looking at, rise back to about 23,000, which is not too far from current levels, maybe even 24,000. That's where I think it's going to find stiff resistance and maybe make another leg lower. But looking into the new trading week, I think we should see a further recovery up to 24,000, and then we'll see how it trades after that. But we're looking for continued rebound and not a bottom that should target around 24,000 Bitcoin. Ethereum also looking like it's recovering and moving upwards. With Ethereum, we're looking at 1350 as resistance, and the two candles we had on Thursday and Friday are fairly strong ones, and I think there is a very good chance that we should see probably a bit more strength in Ethereum. Binance, very strong rally on Friday, taking us right to the 20 SMA, which is pretty much the target that we look for in a lot of these moves. And I think it's going to struggle over there. I think that it's going to find resistance over there. We could see a little bit more of an extension. But I don't expect much more from Binance. AVAX is rising above the 20 simple moving average. So I want to point out this is all very consistent. The message that we're seeing is very consistent overall, which is that we're seeing not only a recovery over this past week, but what appears to be continued strength as going into the weekend and into the new trading week. So I think that AVAX, if it closes above 20, which is not far from here, or even if it closes current levels, we could squeeze up to 74. Litecoin already above the 20 SMA. I think we may see Litecoin up above 60 easily, and probably up to the 65 region. Solana 45 is going to be target. I think it should get there. And that's where the real battle is going to be in Solana. 45 will be resistance. If it comes back down, you're going to have 390 as support. Polkadot also rallying. If we look at the shorter term charts on Polkadot 4-hour charts, you can also see strength on the 4-hour charts. So I think there's a very good chance we could see Polkadot go up to 9. Cardano, also a lot of resistance, up between 52 cents and 55 cents. I think that it will find resistance there. On a relative basis, it seems to be underperforming. And I think, for the most part, what you're looking at here with regards to Cardano is that we're still kind of consolidating a little bit of an upwards forming triangle if you look closely, but 55 cents is resistance. Ripple spiked higher on Friday, pulling back a little bit. I think it should find support at 35 cents, and definitely looks like it wants to re-challenge 40 cents. Not 70 cents is very, very high, 40 cents. And then Doge, I think also 70 cents is resistance, but I think we should see more of a relief rally and more recovery in the week ahead for these cryptocurrencies. So this is a brief outlook, but I think the outlook is quite clear, and it is consistent with the fact that we have not much in the way of market moving data at the end next week, which would help foster a further recovery. This is Kathy Lean with BK Crypto Crusher. I look forward to speaking to you again.